What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining me today on Crypto Lit. My name's Nathan, and if you've seen the charts, you know why I'm getting online. Bitcoin, baby. It's running. It's time of recording right now. It's just over about 46,500. We finally got that bump up. Got some other coins moving as well. A lot of stuff happening in the crypto markets today. So I wanted to jump on real quick on this Sunday afternoon and go over a couple of things. So let's jump into the charts and get right to it. So as we discussed last week, Bitcoin had a couple of things going on. First of all, there was the W pattern right here. And we noted that if Bitcoin could break the neckline of that W pattern, we would see hopefully a run up to this larger ascending triangle. We also had the symmetrical triangle going on right here. So breaking above that symmetrical triangle and breaking the neckline of that double bottom, we had hoped at the end of last week was going to push us up over this $46,000 level here. Fortunately, we had that run up happen today. So now what we are seeing is that we have this ascending triangle has been broken to the upside. And as you know, if you take the height of, let me grab this line over here real quick and pull it down. If you take the height of the ascending triangle at the base where it started, you put that at the breakout, then that gives you the target price for that breakout. And so our target price puts us right in that area of about $56,000 for Bitcoin. So, we discussed a little bit last week as well about the flipping of this EMA ribbon. I'll highlight it here. Let me grab my brush right fast. So right here last week, you had the EMA ribbon flipping, turning from bearish to bullish, which I've told you on the daily time frame is a very good indicator that you're going to see a large movement to the upside. So that's what happened. Excuse some of the background noise here, but that's what happened last week. And of course, we are seeing now that that we are moving upwards on Bitcoin. The target price again is that $56,000. So if you were going to trade this, you could go ahead and put in a leverage trade on that, a 10x leverage trade. If you are an experienced leverage trader, you can use my Bybit link that's down in the description below, but please only do that at your own risk. Leverage trading is a risky thing. Let's go ahead and flip over on another thing that I wanted to show here, and that was the total crypto market cap. We talked last week about again, hoping to be able to flip the EMA ribbon on that total crypto market cap. And we had a breakout of this symmetrical triangle here for it. So we had the breakout right here last week. We talked about this a couple of days ago that the EMA ribbon again turned from bearish to bullish, or was about to. It did that today. Today it just turned to bullish and printed that long signal. And what we see, if we shrink things up here and look at previous history, every time that the total crypto market cap does flip that EMA ribbon from the red to the green, like it has down here in this section right here, that we see a pretty big run up to the upside. And you'll have it back here as well at the start of the bull market at the end of 2020. It flipped green. It had a big run up to the upside. After the summer crash last summer in 2021, it flipped again, and then we had a huge run up to the upside. And so I'm hoping that that's going to be the case for us again with this recent flipping of the EMA ribbon on the total crypto market caps. My opinion is it's sunny days ahead unless we get some earth-shattering or market-changing news in the global markets over the next few weeks or months. My thinking is that we're going to see sunny days ahead for crypto markets in general. I also want to go over and check out FTT. I told you last week about FTT and how I was watching the breakout of the symmetrical triangle for FTT. It did break out. It did flip that EMA ribbon as well. My target for FTT again is that right around $55 to $56 range, and you'll see we're progressing upwards very nicely on that. Right now sitting right at about $52 on FTT. So I think what you're going to see is that a lot of coins over the next week are really going to start moving, because we have gotten that momentum in the markets in general. And let me flip back to my camera here. But yeah, we've gotten that momentum in general in the crypto markets. We're seeing a lot of positive things going on. That total crypto market cap movement is huge in my opinion. Bitcoin getting over that $46,000, it's huge in my opinion. That's the first time that's happened since January 5th. It hasn't been back over 46K since then. So having that movement back up over the $46,000 level, super positive in my opinion. I think we're looking at some good days ahead in the all-around crypto market. So let me know what you think about the crypto markets. Go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section down below. Tell me whether you think now that we're back in the bull run, or if this is just a temporary bounce to the upside and we have further down days ahead. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That's a number one thing you can do for me as I'm continuing to put out the message of Bitcoin and crypto in general. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.